Happy Halloween, everybody. As you can tell, fall is here. The first snowfall of 2024. This either means a really good thing or a really bad thing. Generally speaking, though, once we get that first snow, we usually catch a nice fish. Over the years, it seems like that first snow can be really good. But the only thing different about this one is that it rained a lot last night. A lot of cold rain last night, and now it's just turning to snow. Mike and I are gonna get out. These are some giant snowflakes, but gonna get out, see what we can do. I don't plan on casting today. I'm gonna soak a sucker and stay warm. That is my game plan. Go give the whitewater suits a test today. So far, I've used it all summer and on spring as well, and this suit is still dry, so I do recommend it. It'll be interesting to see how long these bad boys last, but so far so good for a year of abuse through the season. So we got some big, heavy, wet snow. Gonna go meet up with Mike here. Just gotta get some suckers in the truck and get moving here. We'll see what today brings. He's gone. That's right. There's a tanker. There you go. Come on. Come on, girl.
Good job, Rob.
Oh. Come on. My hands are too cold to get to the tread. No, we're good. We're good. It's coming out now. This is where it gets dicey. This is where it gets dicey. He good. Perfect. Thank you, Mike.
What did it say?
Woo-wee. We'll take that. Oh yeah, that's fun.
Dude, that fish is all you so.
That's a beauty. Oh, this is why you go fishing with Mike. Who cares what the conditions are? Fish aboard on a blustery day. That's freaking awesome. Got the fighter. We love that. We freaking love that. Alrighty. Nice fat Halloween Musky. Oh yeah, that is a nice one. Thank you, Mike. I don't know, we always have good luck on Halloween. Last year, Mike's mom, Heidi's mom, got an absolute giant. That's why we're out here, kind of the same conditions. We're gonna get you back, girl. Oh yeah, okay, bye-bye, bye-bye. That's how we like to see them go. Awesome. Heck yeah, let's get another. Oh, it feels good to be actually out on a fall day where it feels like fall. This hasn't happened all season pretty much, all October. Yeah, actually a cold one. I was debating about being like, Mike, maybe we shouldn't. But
I was kind of hoping that you would. I was kind of looking forward to a movie day on the couch. But
yeah, you've been on a roll though. Mike's boat been hot this week. I don't know if we can discuss that or not.
yeah, I know we're gonna keep all that quiet, but
All right. So we can't do this. Okay, that's fine. Sure you know what it's. All right. Anyway.
we got a real big one.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, whatever. Anyways, Mike, you may have some openings for November.
Yep.
So
My nose will be running a lot more than what it is now, but yeah, I do have some trips in November. Just a select amount. I don't want to work too much during that time period, but it is my favorite time period.
Yeah,
no, the biggest, fattest fish that we got. So
yeah, absolutely. They're the biggest, they're the fattest. Such a fun time. I mean, we wait for it all year to try to catch these animals when they're at their biggest. Yeah, but you got to fish through this kind of crap, and it's all worth it when you get one in the boat. So We're gonna hit a few more spots. That was awesome to get one in the boat. For people that are gonna try to do this, do you have any tips for them, Mike? You've been out doing this for a long time.
Man, well, I'll say this. Just a few days ago, it was 70 degrees. Caught some nice fish. And now it's what, 30-some degrees?
30
The high was actually probably right at midnight this morning. But just been dropping ever since. It's not a day where I'd get too excited to be out, but you just got to be out there.
You never know.
Any opportunity you can. I mean, we fishing some crap, but yeah, and then we're just working really deep edges right now. There are still fish up in the weeds, without a doubt, but seems like a majority of the fish have made that big push out into that first main break where it drops into, you know, that rock to mud, rock to sand transitions, things like that.
Well, the cool thing about this time of year, post turnover, these fish can be anywhere. You don't need to really focus on just rock or just sand or whatever. Just pick a random shoreline. These fish are just going to be off the edge of it. So that's kind of how it is. Just get your boat on the edge and hope that sucker rod goes off. Thought about casting today, but I'm glad I'm not. It's kind of nice to just sit here and hope the sucker rod goes off like it did. So Mike's turn. Let's go smash another one. Got the mission done. Mission accomplished. Got a fish on the boat in absolutely some of the worst conditions you can ask for. But it's fall muskies. You never know what's gonna happen. You gotta go out. And sometimes those really crappy days can be absolute amazing days. Finally feel warmed up. It is Halloween day. Historically, we have caught some absolute amazing fish during that day. And I don't know about you guys, but please comment below. What is your favorite day to go muskie fishing? Another prime example of days that just, I don't know. Sometimes there's just lucky days on the calendar that just work out. For Lee and I, though, it's funny that we share this. November 6th is our favorite day to get out fishing. Lee and I share personal bests on that day out of the same lake, Lake Mille Lacs. So kind of weird how that works. He got his biggest, I believe, a 55 and some change, and myself got a 54.5 on that day. Our personal best by weight for Lee and by length and weight for myself. So it's funny how that works. Halloween day, didn't matter how the weather conditions were. Mike and I were gonna go out, even though in a way we did not want to. Freezing rain in the morning and some snow in the evening. I believe it's still snowing right now. So got the job done on the sucker. Was just not gonna cast today. Just there was nothing that was gonna make me cast today. Could it have worked? For sure, but felt better to just hunker down. I don't know why I felt so dang cold today, but we have fished in way worse conditions. I just don't think I don't think we're acclimated to that weather yet. So I'm glad it worked out. Huge shout out to Mike for putting me on that beautiful muskie. Did not measure it, but definitely in that mid 40-inch range, maybe even longer. I don't know, but awesome fish to keep us going for sure. Mike's got some open days for November if you guys want to get out with him. Quick little video, freezing rain, snow, big wind, all the fun stuff of fall muskie fishing. So yeah, I'll leave a link for Mike's guide service in the description below. Guys, please hit that like button, subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next fall muskie hunt.